Another form of assessment of students is through giving of assignments, which we would like the students either to type it out in the platform itself or upload a file which can be graded manually by the teacher. So in this video, let us look at how we can create assignments. So we will go again to the course, and then under add using assignments, under this topic I'm going to add a assignment. So turn editing on. So I can see here using assignments. So here I will add an activity. Add an activity, and now I want to add an assignment. So under activities, the first one is an assignment. So I'll select this. So we come to this page, adding a new assignment. So let me give the name of the assignment, assignment 1, and then here you can describe what you want to be done. So you can put your description of the assignment here. You can give the instructions, you can give the questions that are to be answered, or you can choose to upload these things in a file. So let's say you have created a PDF file where you have put all the questions for the assignment and you have put the instructions, and all you need to do is upload the file. So we will do the second one, that is we are going to upload the file. So we'll click on this button, then we are going to browse, and we will use one of the assignments that I have already created. So I will select the file. So here you can see regular expression assignment.pdf. So now I'm going to upload this file. So this is the file which contains the questions and the instructions. Next, we have to set, just like for a quiz, we have to set the availability. Okay, so allow submissions from, so this is the starting date and this is the due date by which the student has to submit. Okay, and then there is one more called cutoff date. Now due date, when we give this due date, in that case if a student submits after 7th October, whatever time we have given out here, if a student is allowed to submit even after that, only thing that is different will be that the student will, it will be shown that the student has submitted late. On the other hand, if I enable this cutoff date, in that case the students will not be allowed to submit after the cutoff date. So we will keep it, will disable it. Now it's up to the teacher concerned how do you want to implement their assignment. And the last option is for absent-minded teachers like me, which says remind me to grade by. So this is a reminder that the assignments are there, so you can grade by, you can grade it. So a reminder will be sent on this date. So remind me to grade by this date. So that is the availability. Next comes submission type. So there are two types of submission. In the first type, you can see here online text. If online text is selected, then the student will have to type in their response in a space which is provided. Otherwise, the other option is the student can give their responses in a file and upload that file. You can also choose to give both. If you select both, then both will be available. The student can choose to select anyone. If you give only online text, then you can enable a word limit. So I suppose I say this and I give word limit 1200 words only. If I give file submission, then I can specify what is the maximum number of files I want to be submitted. So since this is just a textual assignment, I will give one file only. And then I can specify what is the maximum size of the file. So it is since it is only textual, I'll just keep it to 500 KB. Okay, so this is the maximum size file size that they can upload. And you can also decide to you can also put the different types of files. So you can choose, you can click on choose, and then it will show you the different types of files that you might want to be uploaded. So we will just keep it as it is, so any type of files. Okay. Then what is important here is the grade. So click on grade. Now the grade type can be 3 different things. None means no grading, so it is a kind of a audit, there is no credit for this assignment. Then there is scale, given range, or it can be point, which is most common. So if I select point, so what is the maximum grade? Say for this I want to give 25 marks, 25 points. Then we have the grading method. Now in the grading method, the default is simple direct grading, which we will keep unchanged. If you click here, you will see there are other advanced guiding methods like rubrics or marking guide. So these are more advanced, so if you are interested, you can look up the Moodle documentation to use these. We will keep it to simple direct grading, and you can decide to give a grade to pass mark out of 25. You can give, say, 10 is the pass mark. Blind marking, that means the teacher will not know whose script you are evaluating. Similarly, the students will not know who is the grader. All these you can show, you can just keep it as default, and then we will save and display. So you can see now, this is the assignment 1. This is the file which I have uploaded, which contains the question. Then participants, I have only 3 students in my course, so 3 students are, it's showing 3 participants. 0 has submitted, 0 needs grading. Okay, so the assignment has been created. If I go back again to my using assignments, that is my topic of the course, you can see assignment 1 created out here. Now let us see from the student point of view how the student will submit the assignment. So we will go back again and log out from here and log in again as a student. I have a student with username student1. So this is what the student will see for the course. So I'll again click on the course, Nehu workshop. There I see assignment 1. Now let me click here. So I can see I have not attempted it yet. Alright, so now do I want to add a submission? So yes, I would like to add a submission. Now I had given 2 options, online text as well as file submission. So if I give online text, I will have to type it out here. This is where I will type my response. Or if I choose to upload a file, I will upload it here. It may be combination also. Some of the things I may type it here, and the rest I may have to upload files. So let me upload a file. Add, upload file. I will browse, and then I will, let me give the same, let me give one whatever PDF I have here. Okay, it's the same file. Upload this file and save changes. Okay, so what I have done, I have added my submission. Now I can go back and change it also if I feel that it is not I could do better. Then I can go to edit submission, and then I can modify this submission. Okay, so submission is done. Now let me go back again as a teacher. Let me log in as a teacher. So I'm back here. under the course, then assignment. Now you see, submitted is 1 and needs grading is 1. So I'll go to view all submissions. Okay, so I can see this is the one which is submitted. Student 1 has submitted the assignment. I need to grade, so I will click on this grade button. So grade. So when I click on grade, you can see all this information is shown. Assignment 1, view all submission. Okay, so this interface is a little bit problematic as of now. Because of the problem with this browser, it is not showing this. So let me show you a different way of evaluating this. Okay, so below you will find there is this option called quick grading. If you click on quick grading, you can just open the file. It will open the file with Acrobat Reader. You can evaluate it and you can enter the grade out here. So out of 25, let's say I'm giving 21. I'm grading the student as 21. So grades are saved. The other option, actually, if the browser works, then you would be able to see the file. You'll be able to see the file out here. You should be able to see the file out here and then give the marks out here. So currently this is giving some problem. So go back, and here we have the marks. So for the ones who have not submitted, nothing will be shown out here. Save all grading, yes, and continue. So this is how you can grade a assignment.